Nothing in life is certain except death and the rising air pollution.
The air around us is invisible, but its impact isn't. You see, in cities like Delhi, Patna, millions of people breathe air which is already unsafe every single day. But what if this pollution wasn't just a problem, but a resource we have been ignoring? Pollution, a resource? It seems weird, right? You see, air pollution is one of the most critical global challenges today. Fine particulate matter, PM2.5, penetrates deep into our lungs and our bloodstreams, causing long term severe health risks. Also, the AQI, Air Quality Index, of cities like Delhi has frequently exceeded 400 to 500. It has been classified as very poor or severe and hazardous to public health. Air pollution causes over 7 million deaths globally every year, and construction and building sector contributes 37% of global carbon emissions. This creates dual challenge. We need cleaner air and more sustainable construction. Terracrete addresses both. Terracrete is a sustainable material solution that utilizes captured particulate matter and incorporates it into non-structural construction products such as bricks, blocks, pavers, tiles, and also inks and pigments. We use terracrete in houses, industries, and vehicle exhaust as we convert the air pollution into sustainable building materials. Our model is built on existing industrial infrastructure, which is making it practical and also scalable. You see, industries already use electrostatic precipitators and baghouse filters to capture particulate matter before it is released into the atmosphere. So, what do? We partner with these industries to source the collected material, which is otherwise treated as a waste. This material is treated, stabilized, and encapsulated to ensure safe integration. It is then blended with cement, sand, and binders, and then molded into bricks and pavers. This ensures partial substitution of raw material while maintaining performance. India's construction sector is increasing rapidly, driven by urbanization and infrastructural demand. There is also a growth shift toward cost-effective and sustainable development, which creates a big market for terracrete. Our target audience are real estate businesses, government and private projects, and also smart city initiatives. From an impact perspective, each therapy product represents a quantifiable amount of particulate matter that is repurposed and reused instead of releasing it into the air, thus reducing pollution. Industrial systems can capture up to 90 to 99% of particulate emissions, making this solution scalable. Our model minimizes cost by leveraging existing systems. What do? We partner with industries that already capture emissions, thus eliminating the need for new infrastructure. Estimated cost of our products ranges between 0 to 60 Indian rupees based on the market comparisons and scale. Talking about the revenue streams, revenue comes from basically the product sales, government contracts, CSR partnerships, and also future based carbon credit opportunities based on regulations. This ensures both environmental and economic viability.
Now, let us give you a simple example of how we make ink from the particulate matter we collect from the ESP of industries through animation.
It's actually a super clever process. A device just attaches right onto an exhaust pipe. It uses an electric charge to make the soot particles passing through it literally stick to these collection plates. It grabs up to 95% of the pollution before it even hits the air. All right, so now we've got this raw, captured soot. The next step is where the real magic happens. This is where you turn waste into ink. That soot gets put through a purification process that strips out all the nasty stuff, the heavy metals and carcinogens. And what you're left with is a pure, totally safe, really high-quality carbon pigment. And here is the truly brilliant part. To make traditional black ink, companies actually burn fossil fuels on purpose. Air ink, on the other hand, is made by recycling the pollution that's already out there. It just completely flips the entire process on its head. So, what's the payoff for all this work? Well, you get a beautiful product with an unbelievable story behind it. Just think about this for a second. The ink inside one of these artist pens is made from about 45 minutes of car pollution. That's incredible. And this isn't just some novelty item, it's professional grade stuff,